friends, today I'm doing this. I have these to cut.
Okay, let's see, keep it here. Open. Wow, this is resistance.
And this one.
Resistor, then this is IR sensor. This is transistors. And this is voltage regulator. This is one more IR sensor. This is, what is this? Oh, signal detector. This is what? Oh, this is just a cable.
One more.
One more cable. One more. Different
And
color
this
cable.
one.
This is USB current and voltage
It's so nice.
sensor.
I love it.
Ah,
Loved it.
this is LDR sensor with analog and digital pin. This is extra cables, and what is this? Oh, this is the
And
okay.
this one.
This is also voltage regulator, and this is rain sensor. Thank
is-
you.
Thank you. It is my job was open another box.
That will come to the next video.
You can go next page.
Next video.
Or you can come
Okay.
and subscribe to my channel. Okay?
Bye bye.
Bye.